Hi, I'm Fat Papa. Today I want to show you how to make the spring roll and the salmon roll. It's good for kids or your family's appetizer. Let us begin. Today the only two ingredients you need to cook will be the shrimp and the noodle. So if you didn't see my video how to make the shrimp taste better, the link is on the right top corner. And then the rice noodle, you need to cook it a little bit longer, even though they said that it's well cooked. But since they are dry, you need to cook it longer time to make them soft. And then after that you use the cold water to cool it down, and the shrimp you need to cut it in half, and then you prepare that. And then the cucumber you need to cut it slice, and then the lettuce you just wash it and then we use it later on. So for the rice paper, how we make it soft, we use the hot water and add some cold water. It's like a little bit hotter than the warm water. Then you put the rice paper in to make them soft. Then you can put it on a flat plate. Then we can start to make the spring roll. You put in water a little bit as long as they change to the soft taste. Then you can take it out, and after you make few of them, sometimes we will need to add the hot water, depend how fast you make. As long as the water not hot enough, the rice paper will not be soft. Now you see they are clear and soft, and we put on the plate. Then we always put the shrimp first, and then if you want it to make nice, remember the right side, you put it face down, and then we put 3 pieces of that, and then you add the lettuce. For the spring roll, we will put the cucumber and then the rice noodle, and then we will put some basil. Then we will roll it up. First you roll up a little bit, and then after you halfway done, both sides you flip it back so to seal it well, and then start to make it tight. Don't push too hard, the rice paper will break. So after you try a few of them, you practice, you will be fine. It's not hard to do it. Just remember that halfway, both sides you fill it, and then you finish to roll it all the way, and that's it. The spring roll is that easy to make. me show you how to make the summer roll. Why I separate them? The reason is the spring roll. Later on I will tell you how to make a sauce, but that sauce we put the peanut butter in there. But I know some people they might be allergic to the peanut butter. Then I make the summer roll. The difference is the summer roll I will add the avocado and then the smoked salmon. So to make the summer roll, the taste is better and then has more flavor in it. Then you just need to add some like light sauce, like the sweet sauce for spring roll. That one is good. Mostly we'll use that sauce for the fried shrimp or fried spring roll, but if for the regular spring roll that is too light, and then the whole texture and then the taste will be too light. So I make the summer roll is in case someone they cannot have the sauce with the peanut butter, they're allergic to it, then they can try to have the summer roll. Everything is pretty much the same. The only difference is like beside the shrimp, rice noodle, lettuce, basil, you put some smoked salmon and then the avocado in there. It will look nice, and then since the smoked salmon they have some taste already, so if the sauce light is fine, the whole thing will still taste good. And also you will see if you make the summer roll, if you use the spring roll sauce, the one with the peanut butter, they will not be that much, because the way I decide that and then to try out is for the light sauce. It's not like the spring roll that sauce. Okay, now let's make the sauce for the spring roll. You put 1 tablespoon peanut butter in there, then 4 tablespoons of the Hoisen sauce. After that, you will add some water, and then to mix them well. You don't need to wait for them to boil. As long as they mix well, then that's it. You can turn off the fire and then wait it cool down and then have the sauce. And if you don't want them to be too salty, then you can even put a little bit, or don't put the fish sauce. We put 1 egg of the fish sauce in there is to make the taste better. But if you don't want it or you don't have it, the 1 egg or 1/16 the fish sauce, that one you can skip it. But the peanut butter and then the hoisin sauce is needed. But I know some people they cannot have the peanut butter. That's why I have the summer roll. But the summer roll we use the sweet sauce for spring roll. That one have a little bit spicy. I just let you know. But for the kid, without any sauce, they still like it. At least my kid is. So if for the kid, you don't need to worry about the sauce. But for the adult, you have 2 sauces you can choose. Depend which one you like. Or some people they cannot have peanut butter, fine, just use another sauce. Add some more taste and texture in your spring roll. You can always change the ingredient in there. I know some people will put the pork too. They just cook the pork and put the slice in there. That will be taste good too. So I hope you like today's spring roll and the summer roll. If you like my video, please give me a like, subscribe my channel, and then click the bell so I have a new video, you won't miss it. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.